Hi, my name is Sai Krupa. My graduate with honors project is a React web application that helps users to know the popular movies with reviews, ratings, and other details of the movie. Based on these reviews and ratings, users can build their watch list. I used React with Redux to build this application. My app is a web application that allows the users to see all the popular movies. The popular movies are all shown on the home page. The user can click on a movie image or more info button to look at the details of the movie. Once you click on the more info button, it redirects you to another page with the description and reviews for the movie. The user can log in using the login button by providing the username and password. Once he clicks on the login button, you can see that the user has been logged in, and the add review button in the review list, you can see that he can add his review by clicking on the add review button. He can fill the details like rating, and he can write his review and click on the submit button, and you can see that the review has been added to the reviews list. The user can add a movie to his watch list by using the watch button. Once the user clicks on the watch button, the movie will be added to the watch list page. Once the user is done watching the movie, he can delete the movie from his watch list by clicking on the delete button. The movie will be deleted from the watch list database. Let's see the code for the app now. These are the components of the app. This is the header, footer, loading, and error components. And these are the pages: the popular movies page, movies details page, and watch movies page. And these are all the features like movies, reviews, users, and watch movies. In the movies, we can see that the movie slice is there, movies list, movies details, and movies card for each movie. And in the reviews, we can see that the review slice is there, reviews list, review form. And in the user, user slice and user login form. In the watch list, we have watch movie slice, watch movies list, and watch movies. The biggest challenge in this project was incorporating Redux. After reading documentation and some trials, I was able to implement it. Eventually, I would like to add more functionality such as adding movie to the cart with buy or rent options for the movies that the users want to watch. Thank you for viewing my project.